What's up guys? Sobrang busy ng buhay. Ngayon lang natin ma-unbox. Mag-iisang buwan na ata to or dalawa. But anyway, malapit na naman sila maglabas ng bagong toys. So bago pa mangyari yun, mag-unbox na tayo. Ito ang newfound hobby natin, pagko-collect ng mga toys from Jollibee and Macdo. Ito ay Jolly Kids Little Achievers Engineer Yum. Hey guys, second toy. Start early. Okay. Place your selected pattern disc in the base and insert twirl. And then twirl manually. Third toy. Jolly Chef. Open lid at the back and put 20 ml of cold water. Tulong lang tayo dito. Astronomer Popo. Galing pala ng sticker. Open the monoscope and keep on selected lens at a time. Okay. Dr. Heki. Insert the film into the slot at the back of the toy. Anyway, nabasag yung yung dito ko. Ngayon ko lang siya gumaling ng 6 weeks.